5 ankle breakers in football. Number 1 got cooked so bad, he started begging him to stop humiliating him more. At number 5, Vini sent Fernandinho straight to the group chat. One touch and bro turned into a traffic cone. He was running full speed, then boom. Vini didn't break his ankles. He made him retire for 10 seconds. At number 4, Neymar turned this defender into a meme. One touch and bro laid down like he was done with football. He didn't get dribbled, he got deleted. Bro was face down on the grass like he dropped his career there. At number 3, young Ronaldo cooked this man with pure disrespect. One chop and Billy Jones hit the deck like he got unplugged. Ronaldo didn't even finish the move. Bro already disappeared from the frame. At number 4, Messi versus Jerome Boateng. Boateng fell like he got hit by a sniper. Bro was looking up at the sky asking, "Why me?" He got cooked so bad, he probably started praying Messi would pass instead. Finally, at number 1, Mahrez versus Aston Villa. Mahrez faked one shot and turned the pitch into a crime scene. 3 defenders hit the ground like they slipped on a banana peel. Mahrez hit one fake and bro sent 3 men to different dimensions.